gadgets are in. So I'll show you some stuff around. So you get your all normal built-in apps. App Store, you can go and get other apps. And there's no updates, you can discover, buy stuff, but I'm not going to. Let's turn this to the owner. I still work on it. What's new in macOS Monterey is the launch pad. Then you tap there and get all your apps. What's a cool trick thing is push up, and if you've got something open with this utility, it will show you. I can go to the side and move it. I can go like this, and it will come up. So for updates in the actual computer, you just go to software update, and this device is already up to date, which is awesome. To shut it down, you just go to the shutdown part, and yeah, control settings up there. This is Spotlight search like this utility for FaceTime. It shows your battery and Siri. How are you today?
I'm happy to be here.
Cool. No one actually cares, or whatever.
Okay.
There's a location thing, so apps have got your useful location, your finder, and yeah, there we go. That's basically how you use a MacBook, and you just download your apps that you want, and really fast performance. Thanks for watching. That's Cool Tech Gaming, and I'll see you next time.